Hey guys, Cray here, and welcome back to another video where today I am going to be showing you how to install Minecraft Forge that allows you to install mods on your computer. So first things first, you're gonna want to go ahead and open whatever browser you have. In this case, I have Firefox, so we're just gonna go ahead and do that. You're gonna go ahead and want to go to, this website. I will link it in the description, files.minecraftforge.net. So let's let it load up, and here you go. So once you have loaded into the site that I will have a link to in the description, you will have all sorts of different options. So today I'm going to be showing you how to install the 1.12.2 version, because that's where like almost all the mods for Minecraft are. So we're going to go over here. Now what you are going to want to do is it'll actually block you if you have an ad blocker on. So really quick, alright, so what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to select a Minecraft Forge version. For instance, let's just do 28.26, so you're going to want to click installer. So let's go to that. We're going to want to wait for the ad. Do not click anything that appears here. It's an ad, so you're going to want to wait, and then you're going to press skip ad, and then it will be downloading this. You're going to click save file, or whatever you have to press on your browser, and it has been completed. Now we can go ahead and close out of your browser. We're going to go here, here, and then we're going to go ahead and double click on it. Alright, so as you can see, once you double click it, it will create a log. Now I've done this before with a different Forge version just to make sure it works. So once it opens, you're going to want to go ahead and, as you can see, you're going to want to read this first. Welcome to the Simple Forge Installer. Alright, sorry, I had to go do something. So as you can see right here, it will be showing you the version of Minecraft Forge that you are installing. If you want to install a Forge server, you do that, but we're gonna go ahead and do a client today. So just make sure that this is correct, and then you want to click OK. Now it'll start downloading everything, and then once it's done, at the end it'll say this: successfully installed client profile Forge for version blah 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 blah. You're gonna click OK, and then we're gonna go ahead and open up the Minecraft launcher. Alright, so here it is. Now here's the Forge version that we have installed. Let's just make sure it's at 28.26. 28.26. Now, alright, so sometimes the Minecraft launcher, which is this, will not recognize that there has been a new version installed. So what you're gonna want to do, if this doesn't pop up in your versions, you would go to installations. Let me just delete this real quick to show you. You're going to want to go to new, your version, and then you're going to want to scroll all the way down, and then here it'll be, and then as you can see, here it goes. You're going to want to select this, insert whatever name you want. So we're just going to do test version for this. And if you want to, I would recommend you're going to want to click, oh yeah, and just a warning before you do this, make sure that you don't change too much. As you can see, be careful changing these options because the installation will malfunction. So you're going to click more options. Don't click this, just leave this here. I already have that set up. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go down to JVM arguments. you're going to want to click here. And I usually allocate at least 16. So what this does is it actually allocates RAM for your Minecraft. You can do this with any other version, but I would recommend at least 16 gigabytes because running mods on Minecraft, it can actually pull down your computer quite a lot. So once you're done, you're just going to want to go ahead and click create, and then go back to play, scroll down, and here it will be. And then you can just press play, and here, let me just show you what it looks like really quick. Actually, let me just 1 minute. I want to show you a version that I already have modded, so I can show you like what it'll be like, what it'll feel like, if Minecraft will decide to launch. 1 minute. Alright, there we go. I had a little technical difficulties, so I have just got it up. Now what we're gonna go ahead and do is I've actually downloaded this 2847 version anyway, which is the latest version that works with my mods. So I'm just gonna go ahead and select this. We can go ahead, well, not you guys, but I'm just gonna go ahead and delete the test version because I don't need it. So I'm gonna show you what modded Minecraft feels like. I'm not gonna be able to play it because, fun fact, I'm building a new PC. I made a video about it on my channel. I'll leave a link in the description to that as well. So let's go ahead and play it real quick. Alright, so it should be coming up. My recording may cut out just a bit because my computer stinks. So, oh wait, here it goes. Okay, so here's what it looks like actually. So, as you can see, what it's doing is oh yeah, it says encoding is overloaded. So right now it's actually loading up all the mods, so this is what it'll look like. Sometimes if you grab it, it actually stops it. So here's what it's doing. It's initializing all my mods. In this case I have like I can't remember, like 40 mods or something. So here, as you can see, here's the amount, 47. Here's the amount of RAM that I allocated. I allocated 16 gigabytes, which is the same as 16,000 megabytes. It's actually staying quite low. So, it does say my encoding is overloaded because, my CPU usage is actually getting quite high, actually. I just thought of a pretty cool, it went black for a second. Oh my, I have so much stuff. There we go. So, oh my. Alright. It's, interesting. So, it says here that I am using a lot of CPU. Alright, so let's close this. So, as you can see, guys, this is what it looks like. I mean, this is what it looks like for me, so once you have installed all the mods of your choice, you will see down here in the bottom left all the number of mods that you have. In this case, I have 47 mods loaded and 47 of them are active. So, another fun thing is if you go into mods, it will actually give you a description of the mod and as well a URL for them. So, what do we want to do? Maybe security craft. So, there's I've installed all sorts of things, but you guys can do this too. In fact, I have my own mod pack as well, so it's not a big one, but it does require at least 10 gigabytes. So here's all my mods, but there you go, guys. So that's my recording. Oh, there we go. So that's pretty much how much. Oh yes, and here's my my mod pack. So I will also be uploading a tutorial tomorrow about how to download and install my very own mod pack, which is actually crazy. I've been working at it for quite some time. It doesn't have as many mods as I would like it to have, but it's got a lot of dang good mods. It's got, like, for instance, Aroma. That's a pretty good one. Yeah, so I will be uploading a video either tomorrow or the day after that about how to download and install my mod pack, so please keep posted on my, YouTube channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye!